Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Campus Info. So there is an important update regarding Wipro Velocity program, like the people who are selected for the role of wiproelite yearly and they got offer letter, upgraded offer letter for the wiproturbo like 6.5 package. They have a meeting today regarding a Velocity open house connect session. In this they are going to tell about what are the activities that are planned for them in future before they are going to onboard it and after they are going to onboard it. So basically they are going to told about various onboarding process in this meeting, and they will give insight regarding the learning platforms that they are going to access in future, and they followed with that they give a Q&A session regarding what are your doubts and queries you can ask in the session. So this is an important open house session, so you should join this session because it is important regarding the onboarding process. So these people who earlier get offer letter in this month, they got this mail regarding the Velocity open house connect session. So in the open house connect session is on 4 p.m. today. So the guys who receive the mail, they have a link in the mail, so join the meeting through that link and be on time so that you do not miss any update regarding the onboarding process and further process in the wiproturbo program. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Love the video. Thank you.